Hello YouTubers, today we are reviewing the Comfort Plus Orthotic Insoles by ROCKROOSTER. I bought these as a replacement for the insoles that got destroyed by my dog in my ROCKROOSTER work boots. As you can see, this is how they come. You can purchase these on Amazon or on the ROCKROOSTER website. I purchased the medium, which is an 8 to 9, which fits an 8.5 shoe. Just hang on, let me open these up and let's have a look at them. The CoolMax Orthotic Insole. These are the left and right. I have 8.5 boots, so these are for 8 to 9s. So the CoolMax system is designed to help wick moisture away from your feet when you're sweating. And as you can see, with the bottom is designed for anti-fatigue to help reduce sore feet from a long work day. As I said, I have bought these for a size 8.5, and these are size for 8 and 9. Now let's put them in my boots. I have now inserted them into my work boots. Fit nice and snug, real easy. Just so you know that all the insoles, if you buy them, come with a 1-year warranty, and they have microbrand, which is an antimicrobial product protection. Really like these insoles. I have them all in my other boots. If you need to get replacements, please check the link below. Thank you very much.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.